Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Digital Ocean. Today I'm going to be discussing what should we choose, DCA, dynamic creative ads, or just static images, videos, etc. So I'll see you in a bit. Well, let's cover this up. So dynamic creative ads or static, right? To start with testing. Let's start with the testing phase first, right? So I'll say that our practice here at AIG Marketer, based on a lot of experience scaling multiple 7, 8, and 9-figure brands, me and my colleague, you need to start with static images first. I'll explain more in the next few minutes. Static images, you can in static images you can choose your strictly what kind of components of your ad should you test. Let's say you already have best performing audience or audiences, right? Let's focus only on the ad side. Okay, so then what we start doing is, let's say we have 3 videos. We'll start with video 1, creative 1, then video 1, creative 2, then video 1, creative 4, 3, and so on and so forth, right? While and then the same way we will test the videos, and the same way we will test the headlines, right? Well, while on a DCA, first of all, you will need a lot of spent in order to see real significant data that you can trust, right? And that's first of all, right? You need to spend a lot more. Second of all, you will be able to, yes, go for the breakdown, click on breakdown and see what kind of ages, what kind of not ages, but what kind of ad creatives, right, or text is being done, been doing pretty good. But I wouldn't suggest doing this. In my experience, and what Facebook says and recommends, is go static creative for testing and DCA once you have proven creatives, and that's exactly what we do actually. So first, test on rapid fire testing. I've covered this in other videos, what rapid fire testing is, so go and watch the other videos. So after you do rapid fire testing on with static, like static images, videos, mainly videos and static images, because those are the only two creatives that you can implement in DCA, right? Go test them, and once you find the best performing, so the winners, go put them into a DCA and scale them to the moon. That's our strategy. Go something broad, or stack a lot of best performing audiences and go for scaling. When you are on CBO and you're scaling, this is the best way you can use DCA. Yes, you can go after that and check out all the different breakdowns, see what video, image, or text, copy text has been performing very well, but mostly use it this way because this is proven really to work. So this is my recommendation, and with over 18 million not spent, we've combined, we spent over 26 million. We don't even know how much exactly, so only on Facebook ads, by the way. So this was a just short video to cover this topic, and yeah, see you on the other side of success, guys. Please hit the notification bell and thumbs up in order to spot the algorithm. See you in my channel.